Well, we have the 90 days at 10. We have the 180 days at 10.5, and then the 1 year is at 10.7.
Okay, was this in line with your expectations?
Yes, it's in line with expectations. The federal government continue to reduce their offers, and with the demand still rising, we see rates will continue to drop.
Well, what about the CBN? What is the CBN? How is the CBN going to respond to this? Because we know that the CBN is also trying to get rates back up.
Yeah, I expect the CBN would still, the monetary policy is going in an opposite direction to the fiscal policy. So yes, so we expect CBN would make rates maybe, we're looking at a 12.2 probably. But we see the CBN is trying to take rates back up as against the federal government, which is cutting on its spending.
So the MPC meets next week. I think results will be announced on Tuesday. What do you think they'll do this time?
With the inflation rate down again to 12.5, I expect that my guess is all parameters will remain the same. You don't change a winning team. FX rate, the rates are in control, and then all parameters most likely should be maintained.
Do you think the central bank is also going to talk about some of the headwinds that it appears that we're already experiencing now? Portfolio investors at the fixed income market appear to be nervous at the moment. We're seeing a pullback at the equities markets, and we understand also at the fixed income market. That is one of the reasons why the CBN is trying to get those rates up. What do you anticipate the CBN saying or the MPC commenting on in that regard?
Well, I expect the rates actually is still accommodative to take rates back up to maybe the 18%. So, but I don't see them getting that high. Yes, we expect the CBN to try and make moves to reduce the outflow of dollars from the economy. But rates going back to the last year's high, it's a bit far-fetched. But yes, the CBN is going to make moves, and we see rates are going to try and rise to try and keep the investors back in the country.
Now, I want to focus more specifically on inflation. I know it's down to about 12.3%, but a lot of analysts I've been speaking to say that it's mostly as a result of the base effect and should not really be taken as a sort of strong statistical representation of the Nigerian economy. Is this what you're thinking as well?
Yes, I'm of the same opinion that, yes, the base effect is actually one of the reasons why rates are down. But we expect maybe from next month we should actually see what the true inflation is, because from next month the base effect should have worn off.